welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this crochet star garland. You will need two different colours of any type of yarn. I used Aran weight cotton and a 3.5mm hook. You will also need scissors and a tapestry needle. To start, you're going to make a magic ring. This can be in either colour. We're going to need to make 6 stars, 3 of each colour, so any colour is fine. Once you've made your magic ring, you need to chain 1 and then put 15 double crochets into the ring. To double crochet, you yarn over, go into the ring, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over again and pull through the rest. Once you've done all 15 double crochets, tighten the yarn at the back to close the cycle. As you can see, I struggled with this, but just pull as tight as you can. Now slip stitch into the first stitch. To make the first point of the star, chain 5. Skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second. Double crochet into the next stitch. For the last stitch we need to treble crochet, which is basically the same as double crochet with an extra set of 2 stitches at the end. So for this you yarn over twice, go into the stitch, and then pull through 3 sets of 2 stitches, yarning over before each set. To attach the point back to the ring, you're going to skip 2 stitches and slip stitch into the third. Here you need to repeat that exact same process 4 more times. that's the first completed star, so now we need to cut the yarn and pull through the last stitch. If, like me, you've completed all 6 stars but made your ends super long for no reason, you need to cut them off. Once you have shorter ends, you need to weave them in with a tapestry needle. Now that ends are weaved in, you want to arrange them in the way you want them to be hanging. So this is how I did mine. Now all that's left is the hanging string, and to make this you need to do a slip knot and then chain until it's the length that you want. Mine was 87 centimeters. Once it's the length that you want it to be, cut the yarn and pull it through the last stitch. And here I'm just cutting it to be shorter, but I cut it a bit too short, so ideally you want it to be a bit longer because the tapestry needle is going to attach to this little bit of string that you've left to weave into the stars. So from here we're just going to attach the stars to the string. What you should be doing is going through the back of the stars and weaving it through the front, which is not what I did for the first star. As you can see here, weaving through the back, that is the correct way to do it. And now we're just attaching all the rest of the stars in the order that you laid out. Now the garland's finished, but as you can see they face sideways at the moment, and if, like me, you want them to be forward facing, then you're going to want to block them. There are lots of videos on how to do that, but basically it's just getting them really wet and then drying them off and squeezing all the water out and placing them in the shape you want them to stay in. So you just place them out to dry in the order and the shape that you want them to be, which is forward facing. And now as you can see they face forward and the garland's done. If you decide to make these, then definitely tag me on Instagram at Nocturne Knitting. Thanks for watching.